Excellent hotel to stay. The hotel was immaculate, and the service was very friendly. Exceptional. My first time, but I loved it. Location is perfect. Perfect location, very close to everything. Staff is super nice. Great experience, clean and tidy room, great help from the hotel staff. Excellent stay. Our recent stay was excellent. The location was perfect for exploring the city. The staff were friendly and accommodating throughout our stay. The facilities were top-notch, especially the fitness center. The cleanliness of the property was impressive. We highly recommend this hotel to anyone visiting the area. Great value for money. The location is perfect. The staff is very friendly and helpful. Room decor is okay, but the room size is good. The bed and pillows are very comfortable. Definitely recommended. Exceptional good. Exceptional, very welcoming staff, very good location. Too many restaurants are very close by. I often book in this hotel. Perfect location. Really great location. 2 minutes from Green Park Tube and the Ritz, etc. Around the corner from Starbucks. I don't want breakfast in hotel. Close to lots of other facilities. Hotel was lovely and clean. Staff were really friendly. Room upgrade given, which gave us more space. Only issue was slightly noisy outside. Thing clinked to the aircon but would stay again. Great place. Really amazing staff. Perfect in-room service and concierge service are amazing. I love this hotel for multiple reasons. I stayed at the Ritz a couple of days and then stayed at the Mayfair Hotel. And I must say that the in-room and concierge service at the Mayfair Hotel was far better. I loved their friendly staff. My husband felt so good when one of the housekeeping staff saw his formal shoes dusty and actually cleaned it up. We loved the little notes that were left in our room each day and some treats as well. It was such a good touch to the service. Simple things matter. Special shout out to Antonio and I think our housekeeper Vanessa, of Venice. I couldn't read clearly. Thanks for a wonderful stay. We enjoyed it. It made my work a lot more fruitful and my leisure time even more enjoyable. Thank you. I have taken care of you for my first overseas trip. You struggled because I couldn't speak and couldn't hear English. I'm very sorry. The coronavirus is currently in fashion. I am not a coronavirus. I am Japanese. However, I didn't use the restaurant because I didn't want to disturb other guests. Instead, I used room service. The serviceman was kind. I appreciate your professional work and attitude. Excellent hotel. Loved everything about this hotel. Workout room could have been bigger is the only thing negative I can think of. Anniversary stay. Suburb hotel, amazing room, staff friendly and very attentive. They were always able to accommodate any requests and they even gave us complimentary champagne and macaroons in our room, and at the restaurant they also made a special dessert with happy anniversary written in chocolate. We definitely loved the breakfast too. Great hotel for special occasions. Amazing hotel with staff that go the extra mile. Stayed here for my birthday celebrations. We were checked in by Vadim, who was so pleasant and helpful. We are already planning a return trip and won't be staying anywhere else. Fantastic staff. Arena on reception is absolutely fantastic and helped me with any issue or requirements I had. This is why I keep coming back. Thank you, Arena. Staff. Wow, Arena is one of your best. You better not lose her. Very nice, excellent hotel. Very nice location and very good restaurant nearby. Busy hotel. Lift waiting is 5 minutes. Exceptional, superb. Excellent hotel to stay. The hotel was immaculate, and the service was very friendly.